In this short tutorial, you will learn how to open videos in Video Player by default on the Samsung Galaxy phone. This process is simple and can be completed in just a few easy steps. To get started, open up the Gallery app on your Samsung phone, and then tap on these three lines at the bottom right corner. Then tap Settings. And then scroll down to the very bottom and tap About Gallery. What you want to do next is repeatedly tap on the version number until a message says that the Gallery Lab is enabled. Once you've enabled it, go back, scroll down a bit, and tap Gallery Labs. Then scroll down until you see an option called Film Strip in Viewer. And then toggle off this switch. After you've done this, close the Gallery app completely and reopen it again, and changes will be applied. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.